Good evening. Tonight we're going to be opening a pack of 1991 Score Baseball. All right, let's see if we can get a Mussina rookie. Some other treasures here. Dennis Rasmussen, Spike Owen, Frank Viola, Brett Butler, Scott Erickson. That is... yeah, Scott Erickson, rookie. We'll put that up there. Tommy Green, Carmelo Martinez, Curt Schilling, Rodney McRae, Barry Bonds, All-Star. It's a nice-looking card. Eric Christopherson, Eric Hansen, K-Man, Trivia card. Jeff Gray, Tommy Gregg, Jose Gonzalez. All right, that was a swing and a foul tip. Thanks for watching.